I was also a challenged mother. Of course, it was a great opportunity. Today it makes me feel I'm the proud mother. Because Chetan was also had some challenges, physical challenges, where he could not walk. It was an absence of both the limbs, not like Nick. His feet was here, but Chetan's feet was still, leg was formed till here. And actually, my life started, I really started looking into life seriously only with that. When I visited the doctors 22 years ago with this child, the doctor told me nothing to be done now. Maybe the technology might improve, the science is improving. You should be in a stage, maybe after 20 years, you will have to afford to spend so much of money to make this child walk. That was the only motivation I had in my life. I have to make big money. I have to make big money and see to that this child can walk by himself. I used to be so worried that I have to carry my child like that. But today, I'm able to spend around 10,000 US dollars every trip I have to change the limbs. It is so expensive, but I'm able to. And moreover, whatever the confidence I got from this business, it has been transferred to my son Chetan. He could grow to the stage of, he has won last year the national championship in car racing in India. Look at this. And of course, all the pretty ladies like something. By the age of 21, I had given birth to both the children. I used to look 40 at the age of 20s. And this money has changed. Looking 20s at the age of 40. See the money, how it can change. What, ladies? How many women in the auditorium here? Can you please stand up? Can you please give them the biggest round of applause? We will make it! So they should be highly appreciated for recognizing their strengths, realizing what they are, and coming forward to change their lives and other lives. Can I tell you one secret, men? To the men in the hall, can I tell you one secret? 10 is, you know the ratio? 10:1? Do you know the ratio? 1 lady is equal to 10 men. Is equal to 100 men. You might have many men in your organization, but one lady really focused can overtake everybody there. The women can be the real champions. Just tap the potential in the women there. Tap it. We are one, yes. We are one. Women are no lesser. Guys, another secret is the entire world will be led by the women. Every country, most of the countries will be led with the women. These are not just the motivational words. This is not just a motivation. This is something practical which I have seen throughout my life. Women are very, very powerful. Try to tap the potential in them. Bring that out. Every lady in your team has been potential. Men, if you're not taking the support of your women at home, your wife at home, please start doing that. A lady, why she can be more powerful? A man can be a man, he can be only a father. But for the real leadership, the motherliness is very important. A lady can behave like a father and a mother too. You agree? Ladies in the auditorium, you agree or not? We can. That's the reason I have chosen more than 50% of the women in my organization.